following is from the United States government. An unknown hostile is in your area. Stay home and avoid travel as possible. This hostile is extremely dangerous and will shoot on sight. If you see any sightings of the hostile, report it to the police or hide. Several people were found dead on the streets or lost. If the hostile is near, hide in a closet or a table to avoid getting spotted by the hostile. Call 911 immediately if a person near you was shot by the hostile. This broadcast will repeat every hour. The origin of the hostile is unknown at this time. National Guard has been deployed in your area. Follow orders from the National Guard. They will escort you to a safe zone. More information about the hostile is unknown.